one day you feel sick and you don't want to eat anything, so one thing that you can make is egg soup with tomato. Easy, quick. So here we have dry onion, egg, tomato, and spring onion. It's important. When I feel sick, I want to eat something hot with not of spring onion. So first you need to stir fry dry onion with tomato. You can add some beef sauce. Set aside. And add water. Wait for it boil. And now, when we wait for it boil, we will do with the egg. Just scrub it in bowl as this. And add some salt. Just like omelette. You can make this you make omelette. And now you pour the egg. And now you add spring onion. You can add some coriander in the soup. The coriander I prepared before. If you want to know how to make coriander like this, you can see in the link. And if you want to know how to prepare the coriander like this, you can see the link in the description. You put in the bowl. You can see when you stir the egg, the result will be like this. You will see much of egg. And you can add some pepper. So here I share my tomato soup with egg. And when you feel better, you can see another food that I made in the other video. Thank you for watching.